Hello and welcome to the Immersia channel. What should we make today? Today I'm going to guide you through a Beltane Feather Ritual. For this workshop you'll need some coloured ribbons, some feathers you've collected outdoors, a white candle, something sacred to burn and a pair of scissors. Beltane is the pagan festival of fertility and it takes place every year on May the 1st. Rituals are important because they help us stay grounded and focused and also mark time by creating definitive beginnings and endings. This ritual is for more clarity around your creativity and ideas. We begin the ritual by lighting the white candle. The white represents purity and the flame represents the Beltane fire. Next, burn some of your sacred wood or leaves. As you run your hands through the ribbons and feathers you have collected, repeat this phrase: May Queen connect me with my creative power and the abundance of ideas that flow through me. Repeat this phrase whenever you want to feel deeply connected to this ritual. Gather the feathers and ribbons you have intuitively chosen and wrap the ribbons around the base of your feathers. Once you've finished, hang from your favourite tree so the wind may blow your words to the May Queen. And that's it. Now make some sacred time for yourself. It's goodbye from me. Until the next time.